Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to design a YouTube end screen on Canva. So the first thing you do is to go to your app or your use the website version, then go to the search bar and enter the keyword end screen. Then it should bring you a list of templates that you can use for your YouTube end screen design. So these are all the lists to all the templates that you can design. So just choose anyone. Let me just choose this. So you can click on it to see it properly, and if you like what you see here, you just click on customize this template and it should take you to a different page. Here you can now input your video topic, your title, then your channel name and link. So you can just design your own, or you can just choose a different template and work with it. So this is how to this is an outro, but yes, it's still the end screen. You can alternatively you can search for YouTube outro on the Canva search bar and it should bring you similar results also. So if you need to replace anything here, you can always go to the element section or add text or choose a brand or even choose a new design if you want a different template. So let's assume you want a different template. You can choose a different template here on the design section, click on the templates of your desire. You can also search for them here, and there you have it. You've successfully designed your YouTube end screen for your videos. So if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much and do have a great day.